Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SketchUp 2026 how to bevel edge. So in here I will use the bevel plugins, and first you can draw rectangle, use the pull tools to convert into 3D. Now if you want to bevel, you can click the bevel tools and select on edge, click again, and you can bevel the edge. Click to apply. Or you can select on face. It will be before in all selected edge. Click again and then start to before. Okay, I will select again at this face. Click and you can set stroke the options, like I will set into 200 for the edge offset, and you can press enter to bevel. Okay, that's it for a basic SketchUp 2026 how to bevel edge with plugin.